Welcome back to our 100 Days of Java journey. We learned about if-else conditions and made a movie recommender. But what if we have many choices? Writing 10 if-else statements would be messy. That's where switch case come in. So what is a switch case? Think of it like a menu board. If you press 1, you get an espresso. If you press 2, you get a latte. If you press 3, you get a cappuccino, and so on. Instead of checking conditions one by one, switch case directly jumps to the right choice. So let's build a coffee vending machine to understand the switch case properly. Import java.util.scanner, public class coffee machine, public static void main string args, scanner is equal to new scanner system.in, system.out.println, welcome to Java coffee machine. Press 1 espresso, press 2 latte, press 3 cappuccino, press 4 black coffee. Like system.out.println, enter your choice. In choice equal to sc.nextInt. So here's where our switch starts. Switch choice, case 1, system.out.println, brewing your espresso. Then break. Case 2, brewing a latte, break. Case 3, brewing cappuccino, break. Case 4, black coffee, break. Default, invalid choice, please select 1 to 4. System.out.println, enjoy your coffee. So welcome to Java coffee machine. Press 1 for espresso, press 2 for latte, 3 for cappuccino, 4 for black coffee. Enter your choice. Yeah, this is how it is.